When we study the history, we find that the land of Palestine has a great importance in our religion. The first Qibla of Muslims is also in Palestine, where the messenger of Allah led congregational to the 1,24,000 prophets of Allah. Many prophets of Allah used to live in this land, and it is a divine land where numerous companions of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam are buried. The grave of Hazrat Suleiman is also located in this land. Dear audience, in short, I would like to talk about the historical background of Al-Aqsa. The first conqueror of Masjid al-Aqsa was Hazrat Umar ibn al-Khattab, the second Khalifa of the Islam in the year 637 CE. During the Muslim conquest of Jerusalem, Hazrat Umar ibn al-Khattab entered Jerusalem as a conqueror and was given a tour of the city by its Christian patriarch. During his visit, he came to Masjid al-Aqsa and performed prayers there. This event marked the Muslim conquest of Jerusalem and the establishment of the Islamic rule over the site. The second time Masjid al-Aqsa was conquered occurred in the year 1187 CE by Salahuddin. Salahuddin was a great Muslim leader and was a founder of Ayyubi dynasty. He successfully recaptured Jerusalem from the Crusaders during the Battle of Hattin in 1187. Dear audience, Prophet Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Masalul mu'minina fi tawaddihim wa tarahumihim wa ta'atufihim masalul jasad idha ishtaka minhu uzvun tada'a lahu sa'irul jasad bis-sahri wal humma." Today, the situation of Palestine is in front of us. There are 1.8 billion Muslims around the world, but they do not provide proper help. Look at the situation in Gaza, where crying children, helpless women, and the elderly individuals are waiting for our assistance. They are questioning where the Muslim rulers, human rights organizations, and the nuclear technology Muslim countries are. Where are the policies of United Nations? Muslims of Gaza are facing immense challenges and difficulties. This is a time to stand with Gaza, using all the strength we have, be it through military way, print and electronic media, and by card, or most importantly through prayers. In closing, we demand an immediate halt to the killing in Gaza and call for the care of the Muslims in Gaza. Thank you very much.